Hello to dear friends, followers, listeners. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today going to show you the second strategy. Okay, we'll place a trade and close immediately and we'll see how we're going to make a profit. Okay guys, I hope you guys will like. Now let me show you. First of all, we'll choose the time frame and check the signal. Where is the signal? And we'll place our trade. Okay guys, and let's see, we're gonna play trade and look here, the first trade is opened. You need to close in seconds. Okay, look here, we just made $5, and now let's see, look here, the $5. Okay, I now one more trade. Look here, this is step index. I hope you guys know the step index. Okay, and now we are going to place the trade in step index and we'll see how this is gonna make us a profit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna choose a big lot size and quickly take exit from this trade. Okay, if you don't know how to play using this strategy, first learn and do. Okay, please don't do, because this is in high risk. Okay, look here, just made $10 and closed. First of all, you need to learn. Okay, if you don't know how to play this strategy, don't do, please. This is a high risk. If you know how to do and when to do, okay, and play with this strategy, you will make awesome profit. Okay, you just need to focus on this strategy. Is really very awesome strategy. You just need to focus on candles. This is based on candles. Okay, and when you learn this strategy, you will make continuously profit. Yes. Okay, without knowledge, please don't try. This is a high risk. If you know how to play and when to play, sure, you can make a profit using this strategy. Look here, 1.49, $100 is done. And if you guys want to learn this strategy, feel free to contact with us and check the description, the contact details, and make a profit using this strategy. Have a great day. Bye bye, and thanks for watching this strategy.